way back 50s pa na nasa Sampaguita kami, matyaga talagang artista yan, hindi mareklamo. I wish you the best of everything in life. And we love you and more power to you. Happy birthday and may you have 100 years more to live. I love you.
Gloria, ikaw ay aking inspirasyon. Hindi lamang noon, magpahanggang ngayon. Dahil sa paglipas ng panahon, ay naranasan ko kung gaano ka sa hirap at sa ginhawa. Because of your humility, naging susi yan na kami naman ng mga baguhan sa industriya ay nabigyan ng pagkakataon na maging star din katulad mo. Happy birthday. God bless you. I love you very much.
Ang buong ABS-CBN ay bumabati at nagbibigay pugay sa isa sa pinagmamalaking reyna ng industriya, Miss Gloria Romero. Nais din naming magpasalamat sa inyo sa pagbibigay ninyo sa amin ng mga di malilimutang pagganap sa telebisyon at mga dekalibreng mga pelikula na patuloy na mananatili sa aming mga puso at isipan. At muli po ay binabati namin kayo ng maligayang kaarawan.
Ikaw ang aking tanging yaman na inubusan masumpungan. Karitan sulat ng iyong kagandahan. Ika'y hanap sa tuwina sa kapwa ko kita laging nadahanap sa iyong mga likha. Hanggat maaari, masdan ang iyong mukha. Happy birthday to Miss Gloria Romero. Message from the friends. Come on. Tita Pepito. Or the daughter.
Any
Anybody.
message?
You may speak.
Hello.
Ate Glo, I wish you all the best. I wish you good health, wealth, and a long life
My
of
friend
happiness.
for more than
Ate
20,
Glo.
30
And we
years.
seldom
I love
see him on TV, Mr. Pepito. We seldom see him on television. Thank you for being here today. Hello, Tita
Happy
Gina.
birthday. I wish you a lot. Gina.
Ikaw ang
wow,
tanging
galing.
taong nirespeto ko sa pelikulang
Thank
Tagalog.
you, Iha. Thank
love
you.
you. I
I
miss
love you.
Miss Pai.
Cherry pie.
Tita Glo, you know you've always been my queen. Happy birthday. And I hope that you'll have more years of health and love. Happy birthday.
you,
I love you, Tita.
Love you.
Healthy.
Happy birthday, Tita. You're the mother and our inspiration. Lahat kami and we love you.
Thank you, Lorna. Love you too.
Tita Glo, happy birthday. Hindi kompleto ang pelikulang Pilipino kung wala kayo.
Thank you for really inspiring us all.
Thank you.
I love you, Tita Glo.
Love you too.
And your daughter, Lisa.
Chris is behind you. Mahihain daw. Ang gwapo-gwapo. Kailan... May message ka for... What do you call, mamita?
Lola. Well, one thing I can say about my Lola, who I love so much, is that she's always been there for me. So I just want to say thank you for always being there to help me in everything I do. I mean, I wouldn't be who I am today without you, Lola.
Thank you, baby. Ako naman, kung meron akong pasasalamatan sa buhay ko, binigyan ako ng Diyos na kahit kaisa-isang anak na si Marites at ang aking apong si Christopher, sila ang aking tanging yaman.
Marisa.
Mom, I'd like to greet you a happy birthday. And tatlo lang tayo, pero I think we really love each other so much. I thank the Lord for giving me a mom like you. Thank you very much for taking care of me and Chris. I love you, Mama.
Thank you, Marisa.
Love
Take care.
Boyet De Leon.
Happy birthday. Ang ganda-ganda niyo pa rin hanggang ngayon.
ng ABS ito sa akin.
Tita Glo, I will always cherish the movies that we have done and tama yung sinabi ni Ricky. Without you, hindi kumpleto ang Philippine movie industry.
Huwag niyo naman akong payakan kung namamaga ng mata ko. Thank you.
There's some flowers. And just to remind you further about the greatness of this one woman we have here, it's only 50 pesos.
Original yan.
A gift from all of us.
Yes.
To Tita Glo's most memorable movies of all time.
And there are many.
All your movies are here. I'll hold
Like
it for
Tanging Yaman, Magnifico, Beautiful Life, Hong Kong, Holiday,
Kasama si Dolphy
and a
doon.
lot more. Yeah, that's right. That one
And
with Tita
Transformers, just an extra. Happy birthday from all of us to the one and only.
Dolphy. Oh, you're very welcome, Tita.
Kilala kita mula nung teenager ka. I love you.
I love you too, Tita. I love you so much. And we thank all the guests who have come here today to greet you on this very special day. I think all of us have felt something with this particular...
Aking puso ay umaapaw sa kagalakan. Ako hindi... Sa simula pa lang tumutulo ng aking luha kasi hindi ko akalain na bibigyan ako ng ABS-CBN ng ganitong kalaking parangal. Salamat sa lahat na naghandog ng kanilang mga awit, sa lahat ng aking mga kaibigan, mga more than, sasabihin ko bang edad, more than 30, 40 years ago, my loyal friends na bumati sa akin. Salamat. Nung nakita kong aking kapatid sa States, my brother Gilbert, oh, I miss you and I wish you were here today to celebrate my 75th birthday. Napakaswerte ko. Oh my God. Mr. M, pinakamatagal ko naging director, 14 years. Palibhasa, lalaki. Richard Loves Lucy. Okay, fine. Siya nagsimula. Mr. M, it was a joy working with you. Sana maulit mulit.
Well, Tita, sana maulit muli talaga. Promo pa. But folks, we've touched your heart. You want to say something else, Tita?
And of course, kailangan pasalamatan ko si Sir Gabby Lopez. Kasi po, 21 years na po ako dito sa ABS-CBN. At napakasarap po ng feeling na kahit isang saglit, hindi niyo ako pinabayaan. Sa Mom Charo, salamat po. Si Cynthia De Jesus, nakasama